The history of our revolution was written in blood, in the forests of Mozambique, in the camps of Zambia, in the trenches of this very soil we call Zimbabwe. It was not written in boardrooms. It was not written by those who discovered ZANU-PF after independence, after the land, after the comfort. Sarabina mashukubura itoko panapa emageneral tona retired lieutenant general Scott Mapranga vanoya vachitsanangura vachiti vakomana vamwe kuna vechidiki vari kuuya vachikanganisa vachichinja zvinhu. Aiwa, the constitution, the party, pamwechete nemitemo, these guys, they never took part in the liberation. They do not even understand where we came from and what was our vision and the reason why we went to war. It was subscribe or like it on the bell icon. It cannot and we will not be rewritten by those who were never part of it. I have watched with a deep concern as a peg quietly unfolds within the ranks of the ruling party, a systematic, calculated peg targeting precisely those members whose liberation credentials are beyond question. Men and women who gave their youth, their bodies, and in many cases, their families to this struggle. This must stop forthwith. To the leadership of ZANU-PF, I say this with the full weight of my service and my conscience. Reckless utterances by politicians within the ruling party are dangerous. They do not just wound individuals, they wound the institutional memory of the revolution itself. When you silence a liberation fighter, you do not silence a person, you silence history. We did not fight Ian Smith so that our own would one day be pegged by opportunists wearing the party cards as a costume. I urge restraint, I urge wisdom, and I urge those driving this agenda to remember we are still here, we are watching, and we remember everything. Retired Lieutenant General Winston Skoki Mapranga. Doma developments are pangwa ine. Ma general achiramba awazvigananda varikuya vachita as if vanofatira nyika yeZimbabwe but kumasure behind the scenes destroying it. Ina comment section media of your any more pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like chitona bell icon.